Lalitha, your sliding wardrobe design is very unique and beautiful. Where did you get it from?
From SLIDO.
SLIDO?
Yes, I have searched in the whole market. SLIDO has the largest collection of sliding wardrobe door design ideas. You also visit their showroom at Madhapur.
Wow! Tell me more.
They have the largest display of sliding doors for wardrobes. You can see many floor-to-ceiling life-size sliding doors in various design concepts. It made it easy for me to visualize and select. Also, their team is very helpful to customize if needed. The sliding doors are made in a specialized factory set up in collaboration with KOMANDOR Europe. Hence, high quality is ensured. SLIDO is the go-to address for wardrobe sliding doors. It's worth visiting their showroom. Also, they have an amazing design inspiration book for wardrobe sliding doors with innovative design ideas. To get a PDF link of the inspiration book, like this video and write "send" in the comment box, and you will get the download link immediately.